Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How you can add extension of any software in your Chrome browser, which is very easy, and you can open any your software with just one click. You need not to go to the website and open that software and check everything in it. You need to just click on extension and you can open it very easily. For this purpose, you need to write Chrome extension in the Google. Write Chrome extension, enter. Here you need to click on this Chrome Web Store, chrome.google.com, Chrome Web Store. Here, when it Chrome Web Store is open, right here in the search bar the name of the software of which extension you want to add. I want to write here Helium 10. This is software for Amazon, for use for Amazon seller account. So click on it. This is Helium 10. So click on Helium 10. It is already added to my extension in Chrome. So I need to change it. I write here Jungle SCADA. Jungle SCADA. This is Jungle SCADA. How we can add its extension? Click on it and here add to the Chrome. Checking add extension. So this extension is added. You can check it out when you go to the Google. You can see that its extension is added here. Here you can see this is the extension of Jungle SCADA. Click on pin. So its extension is pinned here. This is Jungle SCADA. This is the extension of Keepa, and in this way you can add any software its extension in your Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. This is, I have opened it, and when I click on Google, you can see that this Jungle SCADA is already present here. I can click on it and open it with just a single click. And this is the other extension, which is the Keepa. I can also click on it and open it with a just single click. So click on it. You can see that Keepa is open now and I can use very easily. So in this way you can add extension to your Google Chrome browser, which is very helpful to study different kind of softwares, to use different kind of softwares. Thank you so much for watching this video.